Hey, what up guys? It's Brian here at Austin Auto Finishes, #1 collision center in town. This is a really interesting project. Would you put your mom in BS Chinese aftermarket suspension on a beautiful Highlander? No, it's bullshit. So big fight. They wanted all aftermarket parts. They wanted an aftermarket bumper. They wanted an aftermarket headlight, aftermarket wheel, but massive suspension in here. It's all brand new. It's all OEM. We fought for it. We did all the legwork. That is a true world-class service experience when it comes to body shops, collision centers. But remember, hit us up. We're doing great work. Got a new headlight, got a new bumper, got a new fender. We blended into the door. Like I said, it's about that service. It's about the experience. Made the whole car feel and look like new. But the biggest win is we got Mark Hatchett's mom. We got it off the $40 Chinese suspension parts, which is completely unsafe. F the insurance. And we got all brand new OEM Toyota stuff. Was a tow-in, all completely destroyed, wasn't drivable. And 30 days later, here we are, we got magic. Thanks Mark Hatchett, thanks Mary Hatchett. Peace, love, Austin Auto Finishes.